Hi, Dr. Aboud, Beauty Beyond Medical. What we're doing today is hair restoration. We're using PRP. PRP is platelet-rich plasma. Basically, it's your own blood. We take it, we centrifuge it, and then we separate the white blood cells and the platelets from the red blood cells. So once injected into a tissue, what it does is it creates collagen growth, and the stem cells will release growth factors that will help restore the hair. So we got around 3 cc's of PRP, and we're going to be injecting it in the area that she has a little bit of alopecia in. It's not painful.